Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from Pharmaceutics 2. So let's discuss about the theory of physical incompatibility. When two or more than two substances are combined together, the physical change takes place and an unacceptable product is formed. Physical incompatibility is due to the following reasons, that is immiscibility, insolubility, precipitation and liquefaction. First let's discuss about the immiscibility. Oils and water are immiscible with each other. To overcome this incompatibility, an emulsifying agent is used. Second, insolubility. In liquid preparations containing indivisible solids such as chalk, aromatic chalk, powder, acetyl salicylic acid, zinc oxide, calamine, etc., a suspending agent may added. Then third one, that is a precipitation. A drug in the solution may be precipitated if the solvent in which it is insoluble is added to the solution. For an example, resins are insoluble in water. This can be prevented by slowly adding the undiluted tincture with the vigorous stirring to the diluted suspension or by adding the thickening agent. Liquefaction, fourth one, that is liquefaction. When the certain low melting point solids are mixed together, a liquid or soft mass is produced. For an example, camphor, menthol, thymol, phenol, etc. These substances can be dispensed by first one, triturate together to form liquid and mixed with an absorbent like light kaolin or magnesium carbonate, and second, the individual medicament is powdered separately and mixed with an absorbent and then combined together. So we will discuss regarding actual experiment. Experiment number 97. Title of this experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1. Phenacetin is an indivisible substance. It requires the compound powder of tragacanth as a suspending agent to make the stable suspension. Learning objectives are to understand the physical type of incompatibility and its correction. Ability to prepare the formulation and label it correctly. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, funnel, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 90, that is equal to 0.11. We have the prescription denoted by the symbol Rx. This is the prescription given over here. Let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. Type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in imperial system is as we don't have the quantities given in Latin terminology, so the quantity given in imperial system is not given over here. We directly have the quantity given in the metric system for preparing 90 ml and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. Phenacetin used as analgesic and fever reducing a drug. Quantity given 3 gram, taken quantity should be 0.33 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Caffeine used as a central nervous system stimulant, CNS stimulant. Quantity given should be the 1 gram, taken quantity should be the 0.11 gram. Orange syrup, it is used to treat the dry cough, nasal decongestion. Quantity given is a 12 ml, taken quantity should be 1.32 ml. Water used as a vehicle, quantity given is up to prepare up to 90 ml, taken quantity should be to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction to be used as directed by physician. Stepwise procedure: weigh accurately phenacetin, caffeine and compound tragacanth powder and triturate with 3/4 volume of water. Filter through the muslin cloth. Add the orange syrup and make up to the volume with the filled water. Transfer to the bottle. Cork it, attach prepared label and submit it. Use of preparation: analgesic, antipyretic. Result: 10 ml of the mixture is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as check well before use. As in this particular type of mixture, we seen the physical type of incompatibility. For overcoming that physical type of incompatibility, as here is indivisible substance is used, so we can use the compound tragacanth powder for overcoming that particular incompatibility and to achieve the proper mixing and to formulate the proper mixture. Thank you.